Okay, so this is the starting screen. So it says please choose a view mode. So we've got the pass-through and immersive. This is fully hand tracking, so we don't actually need any controllers at all. We can just use our hands. I'll quickly show the pass-through and then we'll jump to the immersive section of the application. So if I click on pass-through, what I'm presented with is a menu here. I can grab this menu and move it to wherever I require it to be. And then I can choose the car that I can spawn in and start to configure. So we've currently got the home icon here. That will bring me back to the screen where we can choose the immersive pass-through. We have the menu icon here for all the different car brands. When we have the car spawned in, we've got the rotate. We've got the driving, so test driving. So once it's spawned in, we can click this and actually take the car for a test drive. And then we've got the spectate mode where we can actually see it go around the track as a spectator. And then we've got to save the configuration, so it will save it to an online database. And then this is to open and close the doors if we don't want to actually physically go over and touch the door itself. We can just click that icon there and it will open and close the doors for us. And then we've got the different colours that we can add to the car. So the exterior, interior, and then we've got the wheel selection here. Cool, so what I can do is click on the brand I want, choose the car here, and then it will spawn in front of me. So here you go, it's spawned in front of me here, and then I can actually use my hand, just my hands, and actually change the configuration. So I'm currently doing the interior, go to the exterior, and change it like that. So it's fully just use my hands. You can see there's a silhouette there around my hands, and it's tracking my hands currently, like this. If I wanted to exit the application, I could just tap that and then quit. Okay, but I don't need that currently. Again, I can just go through and just point to what I want. So if I want to go back to black, go back to the exterior color, again change whatever color I need. Then I can use my hand and then just tap it like that. The door opens, I can have a proper look inside and it's right there in front of me. And if I want to rotate the car, I can just hit the rotate. And then if I want to stop again, I can click that. And then if I want to jump back to the menu, I can jump back to the menu. And we can go to the immersive here, and it'll bring us inside here. Again, fully hand tracking. You still see my hands, even within VR. You see that silhouette there. Again, I can drag this menu to wherever I require it to be and bring the Lamborghini back in again. As you can see, it saves the configuration as well. So if I want to save it to the online database, it does it whenever I choose or select a different car, or if I hit that save button there. Again, we can just use the hand tracking, change different colors, change the wheel color here. And then if I want to take it for a test drive, I can click this and then take it for a full test drive. But like I said, it's fully working. I can actually go down here and I can actually drag the car to wherever I want it to be, so I don't have to try and faff around and try and spawn it in different locations. I can literally grab the car and move it to wherever I want it located. This works with pass-through as well. So if we've got a space, an open space, it's not whereabouts, it's not within that space where you require, you can actually pick it up and move it to wherever you need it to be. So if we hit the driving, and then I'll be able to test drive the car on the new track that we have.